you're looking for a good polish for your car that cuts well and finishes even better, look no further. Detail Studio Impressive Polish. Cut scale. It's at the top. So a high cut, diminishing abrasives. So that means as it's cutting, those abrasives that are doing the cut, they're breaking down and it turns into a polish. So this is how I use it. Enjoy. If you have any questions, put them down below. So on this part, I'm going to show you the difference between working the polish all the way through the cut stage and the polish stage. So up here, I did 4 passes total. The first 2, a little more pressure, a little bit slower, because you're getting your cut that way. And then on the final 2 passes, release the pressure, pretty much just the weight of the machine, and do 2 more passes, and that will refine the paint to a good clear finish. So on this section, I'm just going to do my first 2 passes, the cutting pass, and we'll see the difference between what this can do if you finish it correctly. So I haven't wiped anything off yet, but you can see here the polish itself is a little more flat. So this is the abrasive area. So we're getting more cut here. That's why it's not as a smooth finish. Whereas this area, you can barely see it. It's because the polish itself, all the abrasives have broken down, and now we're in the polishing stage. So that's a big difference of how you can tell where you're at in your process. With Detail Studio Impressive is the cutting stage. It's a little more flat, and as you're working your machine, you can feel the machine working a little bit harder with the cut, which is what you want. And then when you get to the polish, you can feel the machine speed up. And if you can't feel it, you can definitely see the difference, where this has more of a sheen and this is more of a matte. And it definitely looks thicker here because we haven't worked it all the way through. And as you can see, results are pretty dang good. This is just with your 4-pass cut polish, and this is what it was before. Depending on the paint, what you're going for, test spot. This one, I just need 4 little pea-sized drops. Can work an area for 4 passes, and turns out great. Next step is Sonax Perfect Finish, Rupes white pad. long ways. Speed 3. Now if you don't overload your pad with this perfect finish, it comes off super, super easy. If you have too much, you're gonna really have to scrub this baby down.